Good afternoon, mabuhay. Thank you for calling La Vista Resort and Grill. This is Cindy speaking. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. Do you accept table reservations for tomorrow evening?
Yes, ma'am. For how many guests?
For 5 people, please.
Thank you. What time would you like to reserve?
At 7 p.m., please.
Alright, ma'am. Please wait for a moment. I will check the availability. Thank you for waiting. We still have a table available for 5 at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening.
That's great.
May I have your name and contact number, please?
Sure. It's Angela Pleños, and the number is 0930-993-9095.
Thank you, Ms. Pleños. To confirm, that's a table for 5 at 7 p.m. tomorrow under your name. It is correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Your reservation is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Goodbye.